hip adductors, hip flexors, hamstrings. We have seen how to stretch the plantar flexors. Now we'll come to upper limb. Okay. In upper limb, what are the common muscles which go for tightness? Are especially the latissimus dorsi. Okay. In the pectoralis major muscle are one of the important muscles which go for. Yeah, that is abdominals will be weak, but majorly the upper limb muscles I am talking. The latissimus dorsi and the pectoral major muscles are the one which goes for tightness. So we'll be seeing how to stretch the latissimus dorsi. To stretch the latissimus dorsi, okay. To stretch the latissimus dorsi muscle, okay, the kid should be in sideline position. Okay, make the kid in sideline position. Okay, two therapists, two assistants should be there on both the sides, and they will be slowly giving traction to the lower limb. One person, the other person will giving traction to the upper limb with the both the hands. You understand what I am talking? The kid should be in sideline. Okay, two therapists should give traction to the one therapist should give traction to the lower limbs. The other therapist should give traction to the upper limbs. The main therapist should be behind the kid. He should be in walk standing position. The ball should be big enough. This is small ball. The therapist behind therapist should be in walk standing position. Okay. One hand should be on the lower part of the scapula. The other hand should be above the ear crust. Okay. So you just maintain this position, okay, for 1 minute. The hand should be crossed. You see what I am doing? This is called myofascial release technique. Okay. So one more time. If you want to stretch latissimus dorsi, which is very one of the important muscle for functional activities, okay, the kid should be lying in sideline. Okay, two therapists are required. One therapist should give traction to the lower limbs. The other therapist should give traction to the upper limbs. Okay, the main therapist should be standing behind the kid in walk standing position. Okay, one hand should be on the lower part of the scapula, the other hand should be above the iliac crust. Okay, the hand should be crossed and maintain this position for 1 minute. Okay, it stretches the latissimus dorsi muscle. Is it clear?
There's a problem on which side? Which side?
The same, which side?
Another side is not stretched.
You have to go to other side. Again you have to do the other side. We are stretching only the one side. If we are stretching the, say this is right side, we are stretching right side. It should be sideline. Traction should be given for lower limbs and traction should be given for upper limbs. Okay. So this is for stretching for the latissimus dorsi. Now how to stretch for the pectoral muscles? To stretch pectoral muscles, okay, the kid should be in supine lying on the ball. Okay, the hand should be abducted to 90 degrees for horizontal fibers. The hand should be abducted to 120 degrees for oblique fibers. Okay, so stretch the hands, abduct to 90 degrees. Okay, holding to that position. Okay, and put one hand on the second to sixth costo-sternal junctions, the other hand on the upper limb. Okay, the hand should be crossed and maintain this position to stretch the pectoral muscles. Okay, so please do remember that this is one kind of passive stretching for pectoral muscles. So take the kid, put the kid in supine line. Okay, the therapist should be in front of the kid. The hand should be abducted to 90 degrees. Okay, for stretching the horizontal fibers. If you want to stretch the oblique fibers, the hand should be abducted to 120 degrees. Say example, you want to stretch horizontal fibers. Okay, make sure that the hand should be abducted to 90 degrees. Okay, therapist one hand should be on the shoulders, on the side to be stretched. The other hand should be on the second to sixth costosternal junctions. Okay, and stretch it and maintain it. Stretch it and maintain it. So we are stretching the pectoral muscles and maintain this position for 1 minute. Understood what I am talking? The same thing can be done here. Okay. If you want to stretch the oblique fibers, abduct the hand to 120 degrees and hold, put hand in the costosternal junctions from second to sixth costosternal junctions, which is here, and one hand on the upper limb which you want to stretch. Okay, so just maintain this position for 1 minute. The hand should be crossed. Okay, so we are stretching the pectoral muscles. This is one kind of passive stretching of pectoral muscles. Is it clear what I am saying? There is something called active stretching of pectoral muscles. What is active stretching? The same position the kid should be in supine line. Okay. The pelvis should be on the ball. Take the kid down. Okay. The hand should touch the floor. Okay. Hand should touch the floor. Okay. And ask the kid to do push-ups in this position. You understand what I am talking?
Yes.
So in this position, okay, the pectoral muscles and the latissimus dorsi muscles will get stretched actively, or will get lengthened actively. This is active stretching of pectoral muscles. Okay, one is passive stretching and one is active stretching. Okay. Any doubts?